Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this Typhur Dome 2 air fryer tutorial. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Typhur Dome 2. And so I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and use it. Now with it, you first want to go ahead and plug in your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Next, do make sure that you have the app installed. So for this example, we're going to be using an iPhone device. But simply just go into the App Store, type in here, and then it's going to be this option here that says Typhur. So this is what the app looks like. So go ahead and install that app, create an account, and log in. Afterwards, let's go ahead and open up the Typhur app, and this is what your home page is going to look like. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn on our Typhur 2 Dome air fryer. Now, on your iPhone, make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is turned on. Next, we're going to click on Add Device on your mobile phone. We're going to click on Typhur Dome/Dome 2. And then on the air fryer, you're going to press the up and down arrows at the same time for about 2 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts to blink. So press on it for 2 seconds. And as you can see, we now have the Wi-Fi icon that starts to blink. So we're going to click on My Device is Ready back on our phone. And then you should automatically see that the Typhur Dome 2 has appeared here. So click on Pair. And then now you need to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. So you do need to make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Click on Next. And then you can see it's now connecting. And then afterwards, you're going to see a success page and then click on Done. So now we've connected the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer to our mobile device. On the Typhur 2 Dome air fryer, you do have the left-hand side, which is the temperature, and then on the right-hand side is the timer. If you press and hold the up and down arrows over here, this is going to toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now this screen here functions as a touch panel, so there's preset modes for pizza, bacon, steak, wings, air fryer, toast, grill, and oven, and there's also a reheat option as well. You can adjust the temperature by pressing the down arrows, and also adjust the timer by pressing the down and up arrows as well. Now on your mobile device, you could also click onto the air fryer and you can see the different modes that are enabled. So there's dehydrate, griddle, broil. There's also presets which are included such as fries, pizza, and wings. So imagine if I click on pizza, you can actually start it. And then with it, you can actually see that you need to go ahead and press start on your air fryer to go ahead and start it. So now once you go ahead and start it, you'll see the timer on your phone in case you're working at a different area aside from being around your air fryer. So you can see the time here says 7 minutes and 50 seconds left, whereas 8 minutes there. You can actually go ahead and pause the air fryer as well. You can stop the air fryer overall, stop the cooking. And so this is just a really neat way to go ahead and control the air fryer with your mobile device. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. In addition to that, there's also a self-cleaning mode. So if you click on self-cleaning, you could actually go ahead and self-clean the actual basket and as well as the grill plate as well. So with self-cleaning, just make sure that you do try your best to clean the grill plate and as well as the basket. The basket itself is wrapped in a nice ceramic coating, which is made for air fryer usage. And in addition to that, both the basket and the griddle plate are dishwasher safe. So that's pretty much it though. I mean, it's a really easy, right out of the box, easy to use air fryer. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. But let me know if you have any comments down below. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.